Here is our single-cylinder gasoline engine. In this video, I will demonstrate how the piston and valves work together in perfect synchronization to complete the 4-stroke combustion cycle. We'll go through each of the 4 strokes. 1. Intake stroke. 2. Compression stroke. 3. Power stroke. 4. Exhaust stroke. Stay tuned as we visually explore this process, showing you how the piston and valves coordinate to keep the engine running smoothly. Intake stroke. First stroke. As the piston moves downward from the top, the intake valve opens, allowing the air-fuel mixture to enter the cylinder. You can see the intake valve lifting while the exhaust valve remains closed. This downward motion creates a vacuum that pulls in the fresh charge of fuel and air, getting the engine ready for combustion. Compression stroke. Second stroke. Now, the intake valve closes, sealing the combustion chamber. The piston moves upward, compressing the air-fuel mixture into a smaller volume. This compression increases the pressure and temperature inside the cylinder, making the mixture highly combustible and ready for ignition. Notice how both valves remain closed during this stroke, ensuring maximum compression for an efficient power stroke. Now it is time to ignite with electric spark. This is our spark plug for igniting the compressed air-fuel mixture installed on the variable cylinder head. Power stroke. Third stroke. This is where the engine generates its power. As the piston reaches the top, the spark plug ignites the compressed air-fuel mixture, creating a powerful explosion. This high-pressure force pushes the piston downward, converting fuel energy into mechanical motion. Notice how both the intake and exhaust valves remain closed, ensuring maximum power transfer. This is the basic function of fuel that provides the energy that drives all the wheels, making the vehicle move. And that deep, rhythmic sound we hear, that's the result of this powerful combustion happening inside the engine. Exhaust stroke. Fourth stroke. After the power stroke, the piston moves upward again, but this time, the exhaust valve opens while the intake valve stays closed. This allows the burnt gases to escape from the cylinder through the exhaust valve. Once the piston reaches the top, the exhaust valve closes and the cycle repeats, starting with a fresh intake of air and fuel. That wraps up our demonstration of the 4-stroke cycle. I hope this helped you understand how the piston and valves work together to keep an engine running. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth explanations of engines, sensors, and automotive systems. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.